Today we're playing Five Nights at Freddy's, and we're gonna start in night 1 because I downloaded it like a long time ago and I haven't played it, so I'm gonna start today. Let's see. Not the door. Let me see. Let's do this. Hey, come over here. Thanks. Beep. Just like record. Let's check the cameras. Wait, first, I want to ignore that. How do I ignore it? Yeah. Let's see. So, oh, this is fine. If the Foxy comes, I will be like, nah, cause I'm so scared of it. It's 12 a.m. Okay, no animatronics. Good thing. And, the light is good. Yeah, so good. Good. So everybody, we just like so scared in this game, and my friend has it too. So what I mean is that, oh my gosh, I'm almost running out of power. Power left. I only got 72. Okay, let's check cameras. Oh, 2 a.m. Okay, why is Freddy staring at me? And it's good. Let's see the Foxy code. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Click it again. Oh my gosh. I'm almost done. Oh. Yay.
You're almost out of power. They're halfway out. Check on them.
Oh my gosh, Bonnie. Oh my gosh, Bonnie.
Tell them Bonnie move.
Bonnie move.
Go somewhere else. Try to find them. Him.
That's him.
Okay, he's right there.
Bonnie's right there.
I know.
Okay, good thing. Who is it? No one. I think someone else moved.
Nope. Chica's still there.
No, because
Is Bonnie still there?
Yeah.
And, okay, everybody's good.
And who was that talking? And who was that?
You have 43%.
So I better check the cameras as quick as I can before boom.
If we see Golden Freddy on the face next to Freddy, he's there, right? Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm 4 a.m.
He's not there.
Where is he? No, he's
right there. He's in this door.
He's in this door. Wait, yeah. There. He's in this door.
Yeah, I should close this one.
He is?
Yeah, look.
Where is he now?
Oh my gosh, Foxy! Oh my gosh, Foxy! Oh my gosh, I'm almost gonna pass it. Good, guys. Oh, Bonnie, someone else moved.
Oh no, they're moving.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah.
No, I check it's Chica and Freddy.
Wait, move.
No, it's Chica.
No one's there. Oh, the door, this door.
Awesome. Good thing. Oh no.
Go to...
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait,
Oh.
What's happening?
Yeah,
We won! We won! Guys, no! We should do one more round.
That'll be it.
Yeah, for now. And next time we will do another video. Is it still recording?